Welcome to our video on the mysteries of the universe. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the vast expanse of stars and galaxies that lie beyond our world? Well, astronomy, the study of the universe, has captivated people for centuries. But with so much to explore, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why we're here today, to provide a beginner's guide to understanding some of the most intriguing mysteries of the universe. From the basics of galaxies and stars to the latest discoveries and missions, we'll take you on a journey through the cosmos. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the universe together. Let's start with some basic concepts of astronomy. First up, galaxies. A galaxy is a massive collection of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity. Our own solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy, which contains over 200 billion stars. Next, let's talk about stars. Stars are giant balls of gas that produce light and heat through nuclear reactions. They come in various sizes, temperatures, and colors. The Sun, which is a star, is what makes life on Earth possible. Now, let's move on to planets. Planets are large bodies that orbit stars. They can be made of rock, gas, or a combination of both. Our solar system has 8 planets, with Earth being the third one from the Sun. Finally, let's discuss black holes. Black holes are regions of space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are formed when a massive star dies and its core collapses. These mysterious objects are still not fully understood by scientists, but we know that they play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies. These are just a few of the key terms in astronomy. By understanding these concepts, we can begin to appreciate the complexity and beauty of the universe and the mysteries that it holds. Now that we've covered some basic concepts of astronomy, let's dive deeper into the topic of galaxies. We've already discussed that a galaxy is a massive collection of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity. But not all galaxies are the same. One of the most well-known galaxies is the Milky Way, our own galaxy, which contains over 200 billion stars. However, there are many other types of galaxies in the universe, each with their own unique characteristics. One of the most common types of galaxies is the spiral galaxy. Spiral galaxies have a defined spiral shape, with arms of stars, gas, and dust that spiral out from a central bulge. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. Another type of galaxy is the elliptical galaxy. These galaxies are oval or egg-shaped and do not have a defined spiral structure. They typically have an older population of stars and less gas and dust compared to spiral galaxies. A third type of galaxy is the irregular galaxy. As the name suggests, these galaxies do not have a defined shape and can be quite chaotic in appearance. They are usually smaller than spiral and elliptical galaxies and often have a higher rate of star formation. In this video, we've just scratched the surface of the vast and complex universe. Understanding the different types of galaxies and the characteristics that define them is a fascinating topic for further study. Ever since, one of the most important pieces of evidence for the Big Bang theory is the cosmic microwave background radiation. This is a faint glow of light that is present everywhere in the universe, and it is thought to be the afterglow of the intense heat that existed in the early universe. The concept of an expanding universe is also supported by the observation of redshift. This is the phenomenon where the light from distant galaxies is shifted towards the red end of the spectrum, indicating that the universe is expanding. The Big Bang theory also predicts that the universe is still expanding today. This expansion is thought to be driven by dark energy, a mysterious force that is thought to make up around 68% of the universe. In conclusion, the Big Bang theory and the expanding universe are fascinating concepts that have greatly enhanced our understanding of the origin and evolution of the universe. It's a topic that scientists are still researching and exploring today and will continue to do so in the future. Now that we've discussed some key concepts of the universe, let's talk about the tools that astronomers use to study the cosmos. The most essential tool for an astronomer is the telescope. Telescopes allow us to see objects that are too far away or too faint to be seen with the naked eye. There are many types of telescopes, each with their own unique features and capabilities. One of the most popular types of telescopes is the reflecting telescope, which uses mirrors to collect and focus light. The largest reflecting telescope in the world is the Gran Telescopio Canarias, located in the Canary Islands. It has a primary mirror that is 10.4 meters in diameter. Another type of telescope is the refracting telescope, which uses lenses to collect and focus light. One of the most famous refracting telescopes is the 40-inch Yerkes telescope, located in Wisconsin, USA. In addition to telescopes, astronomers also use satellites and spacecraft to study the universe. Satellites such as the Hubble Space Telescope, which orbits Earth, allow us to observe the universe in greater detail than ground-based telescopes. Spacecraft such as the James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch in 2021, will allow us to study the early universe and the formation of galaxies, stars, and planetary systems. Astronomy is a constantly evolving field, and scientists are always developing new technologies and tools to study the universe. These tools have allowed us to make many groundbreaking discoveries and will continue to do so in the future. Now that we've introduced some of the main tools used by astronomers to study the universe, let's discuss their advantages and disadvantages. Starting with telescopes, one of the main advantages of ground-based telescopes is their size. The larger the telescope, the more light it can gather, and the fainter the objects it can see. Ground-based telescopes such as the Gran Telescopio Canarias and the Keck Observatory have mirrors that are 10 meters and 11 meters in diameter respectively, allowing them to see objects that are much further away than those visible from space-based telescopes. However, ground-based telescopes also have some disadvantages. They are affected by the Earth's atmosphere, which can cause images to be distorted. They are also limited by weather conditions and can only be used during clear skies. Satellites, such as the Hubble Space Telescope, overcome these limitations by observing the universe from space. They are not affected by the Earth's atmosphere, allowing for clearer images. Additionally, they are able to observe the universe in a variety of wavelengths, including infrared and ultraviolet, which are blocked by the Earth's atmosphere. However, space-based telescopes have their own disadvantages. They are more expensive to build and launch into space than ground-based telescopes. They are also limited by their lifespan, as they eventually run out of fuel and can no longer be controlled. Finally, spacecrafts like the James Webb Space Telescope offer the advantages of both ground-based and space-based telescopes. They are able to observe the universe in a variety of wavelengths and are not affected by the Earth's atmosphere. However, they are also expensive to build and launch and can be affected by technical malfunctions or other issues. In conclusion, each tool has its own advantages and disadvantages, and astronomers use a combination of all three depending on the type of observation they want to make. Each telescope, satellite and spacecraft have different capabilities and are designed to answer specific questions about the universe. Now that we've discussed the tools that astronomers use to study the universe, let's take a look at some of the most famous discoveries and phenomena in astronomy. One of the most exciting areas of research in recent years has been the discovery of exoplanets. An exoplanet is a planet that orbits a star outside of our solar system. The first exoplanet was discovered in 1995, but since then, thousands have been found. Some of these exoplanets are similar to Earth in size and distance from their star, making them potential candidates for hosting life. Another area of research that has captivated scientists is the study of dark matter. Dark matter is a mysterious substance that makes up around 27% of the universe. It is invisible to telescopes, but its presence can be inferred through its gravitational effects on visible matter. Scientists are still working to understand the properties of dark matter and how it fits into our understanding of the universe. Another fascinating discovery in recent years has been the study of gamma-ray bursts. Gamma-ray bursts are the most energetic explosions in the universe and can release more energy in a few seconds than the Sun will in its entire lifetime. Scientists have been studying these bursts to understand the processes that lead to their formation and the properties of the materials that are expelled during the explosion. Finally, the study of supernovae has been a very important topic in recent years. Supernovae are the explosive death of stars, and the intense radiation that is released during the explosion can be used to study the properties of the star that has exploded, the surrounding environment, and the elements that are created in the process. These are just a few examples of the many discoveries and phenomena in astronomy that continue to captivate scientists and the public alike. These studies have greatly enhanced our understanding of the universe and the mysteries that it holds, and will continue to do so in the future. We've just highlighted some of the most famous discoveries and phenomena in astronomy, but what impact do these discoveries have on our understanding of the universe? The discovery of exoplanets has had a significant impact on our understanding of the potential for life beyond Earth. It has also led to new research on the formation and evolution of planetary systems, as well as the characteristics that make a planet hospitable to life. The study of dark matter has also been a game changer in our understanding of the universe. It has led to new theories on the nature of dark matter and its role in the formation and evolution of galaxies and the large-scale structure of the universe. Gamma-ray bursts have provided insights into the properties of the most extreme environments in the universe, and the processes that lead to the formation of black holes and the creation of heavy elements. Supernovae, on the other hand, have allowed us to study the properties of stars and the elements that are created during the explosion. It also has provided us with a better understanding of the final stages of a star's life and how it contributes to the formation of new stars and galaxies. In conclusion, these discoveries have not only expanded our understanding of the universe but also provided new avenues for future research. The universe is a vast and complex place, and these discoveries have helped to shed light on some of its mysteries and have opened up new possibilities for understanding the nature of the universe and our place in it. In conclusion, we've explored the vast and mysterious universe and the tools and techniques used by astronomers to study it. From the basics of galaxies, stars, and planets, to the Big Bang Theory and the expanding universe, we've covered some of the key concepts of astronomy. We also highlighted some of the most famous discoveries and phenomena in the field and discussed their impact on our understanding of the universe. We hope that this video has provided a beginner's guide to understanding some of the mysteries of the universe and has sparked your curiosity to learn more. Remember, astronomy is a constantly evolving field and new discoveries are being made all the time. If you're interested in learning more, there are many resources available such as websites, books, and local astronomy clubs. You can also visit observatories and planetariums to see the universe through a telescope or to attend public lectures and stargazing events. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did, and we'll see you in our next video.